Handshake makes it easy to find opportunities that are open to international students. Let me show you a few tips to get started. There are many employers on Handshake that have indicated their willingness to accept CPT or OPT work authorization for certain job or internship opportunities that they post. Use the search filters to find those opportunities quickly. First, click on all filters, then scroll down to work authorization. Check the box accepts OPT CPT. If you're looking for opportunities with employers that are willing to sponsor, you can also check that box. Additionally, you can easily find opportunities that are geared toward your major field of study. Go to Employer Preferences in the search filters, click on the drop-down arrow, then check the box for your major. The search results will include opportunities for your major and your work authorization status. Start with these results to identify jobs and internships that interest you, but do not limit yourself to these. If you need to expand your search, you can uncheck those boxes. There may be employers who are interested in your skills, but they might not be familiar with CPT and OPT yet. Make sure you take a close look at the requirements in the job posting. If it states that US citizenship is required, then of course the opportunity is only open for US citizens. However, if the posting states that US work authorization is required, then international students who are eligible for CPT and OPT work authorization can apply. If you have questions or would like personalized support with your search, schedule an appointment with a career coach. The career coaches at the UC San Diego Career Center can help you get ideas and strategies for your job or internship search. For more great resources from the Career Center, visit career.ucsd.edu. For general questions, please email careercenter@ucsd.edu. We look forward to connecting with you.